When the power switch located on the base control panel is in the on position, the push-button switches on the platform control station will operate the electro-hydraulic system to raise or lower the platform. The hold push button must be depressed and held in position for operation of the up or down push buttons. Upon release of any push button, the platform will stop. The platform can be positioned into the desired vertical position with a proper manipulation of the up and down push buttons while depressing the hold button. An emergency stop button is located in the center of the platform control station. Depressing this button removes power from all platform controls and stops the platform. To reactivate, turn the red knob in the direction of the arrows and it will pop out. The duplex outlet on the platform is a ground fault type. It requires resetting by pressing the reset button on the outlet as shown whenever an equipment grounding has occurred during use. If in a case of emergency and the operator becomes unable to manipulate the platform controls, the platform can be operated by using the duplicate controls located on the base control panel, provided that the green ready lamp is illuminated. In case of failure in the power supply and the ready lamp is not illuminated, the manual lever-operated valve can be used to lower the platform. To activate this valve, grasp the knob and pull outward firmly. Hold the knob out until the platform is fully lowered. The Maxi lift is equipped with several safety devices. The operation of any work platform is subject to certain hazards that cannot be protected against by mechanical means, but only by the exercise of intelligence, care, and common sense. It is therefore essential to have competent, careful operators, physically and mentally fit, and thoroughly trained in the safe operation of this type of equipment. If you do not fit this description, do not operate the equipment. Do not alter any of the safety devices. Do not lean out over the platform railings to perform the work. Do not stand on the railings to obtain a greater height. Do not use ladders or any other devices on the platform to obtain extra height. Do not let cords or other equipment dangle or be placed in such a way as to become entangled in the lifting mechanisms. Do not allow personnel to stand under the platform or in a position to become entangled in the lifting mechanisms. Do not use the work platform as a dead man in performing work operations which produce an excessive horizontal force. Be sure to acquaint yourself with the Maxi lift operation and maintenance manual. A copy of this manual must be kept with the Maxi lift at all times. Return the manual to the plastic envelope and put it in the holder provided on the inside of the rear equipment access door. To prevent the Maxi lift from being operated by unauthorized personnel, lock the power switch in the off position and remove the key. Then lock the rear equipment door. Do not store the Maxi lift in an environment which could lead to the rusting of any of the unit's parts.
If you are operating the outriggerless Maxi lift, then follow these additional instructions along with the contents of this video. Before using the outriggerless Maxi lift, the floor lock pads must be in firm contact with the floor. The lift must be located on a smooth, level surface as described earlier in this video. To set the floor lock pads, press down on each foot pedal until each floor lock pad is locked in the down position and is in firm contact with the floor. To release the floor lock pads, press down on each release arm and the floor lock pads will retract to their storage positions. The floor lock pads must be fully retracted to move the outriggerless Maxi lift. There is a green indicator light on the lower control panel. When the floor lock pads are in firm contact with the floor, the green indicator light will turn on, signaling the outriggerless Maxi lift is ready for use. To operate the outriggerless Maxi lift, set the floor lock pads as shown in firm contact with the floor. Make sure that the unit is stable. Operate the lift controls and practice all of the safety measures as shown earlier in this video. To move the outriggerless Maxi lift, release the floor lock pads to enable the unit to be rolled on its wheels.
If questions arise during operator training that cannot be answered by reading the instruction manual, or a manual is not available with this video, Cutterman Company is just a phone call away. Call 1-800-552-3337, and we will answer any questions you may have regarding the Maxi lift operation. When the operation and maintenance manual has been read and this video has been viewed, and both are thoroughly understood, proceed by taking the proficiency test required. If the proficiency test is not passed, do not operate the Maxi lift. This concludes the operation portion of the training video. The next part presents the maintenance training portion.